Alright, so this is maybe the first and last snowfall where we'd used a snowblower this year. All the other snows this year have been really small, so I haven't had a chance to really try this out. This is after we got the Toro 60-volt snowblower repaired. And this is a kind of perfect snow for it. It's not too deep. If it's lighter or not as deep, it would just shovel it, which goes quicker. And if it's thicker, we use the tractor, which we have out anyways, just to speed things along. But here we go, I'll show how this works. So again, this is really ideal snow. I saw in some of the comments there's concern about this being hard to push, but in the light snow it's not hard to push. I'll show you. What I could do last year, I'll push it with just a thumb and a index finger. Just show you how through the light snow it's pretty easy. And then just the last thing here, I'll put it on eco mode so you can see what that does. So there it is. Works like new now after we got it back from the dealer. I hope this video helps somebody. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And now he's living the life of Riley.